So this ham here right now was put in a liquid with spices, a recipe, old traditional recipe. It was laying in there 2 days per centimeter thickness. After that we hung it up and had it dry off and air dry. This white stuff that you can see here now, these are spices here. The white stuff is salt that has come out. We are going to wash it off now before we cold smoke the ham. Now the reason I call this video making the most valuable ham, it's not necessarily that this style ham would be the most expensive to buy. What you have to realize is that these pigs were raised by our family. They were fed with grass, with vegetables, with some additional feed. They were grown with love. Every day we met them, we spent time with them. They were processed locally in a small butcher shop. The meat hung the exact amount of time that we wanted it to hang. We took them home, we separated the meat ourselves, we made all the cuts, we ground it up, we know exactly what spices went into each piece, sausage, ham, everything. You can't really calculate the value of this, so I think what I want to communicate with this video is that the most valuable ham is made on a homestead, on a farm where it's locally produced. The most valuable ham is the ham that the family raises itself and prepares itself and does itself and eats off themselves. Just the amount of love and care that has gone into taking care of these pigs and then taking care of every single piece of meat here, you will not find that anywhere in a store. The nutritional density in this kind of product and the health is far superior to anything you could ever buy. And so it's health giving and health sustaining for your family, and that makes it even more valuable. Now this ham is going to be cold smoked, which means the temperature is not allowed to be higher than 28 to 32 degrees Celsius, because you don't want to cook it with that temperature. A warm smoked ham will not last for very long. This ham, because it was marinating in this salty marinade, and now it's going to be cold smoked, it will last for a long time. You can air dry it real nice. Now we have a meat thermometer here that's just gonna measure the temperature. Ham is hanging in here now, so it will not touch. It's still dry. I just rinsed it very lightly on the outside, and now I'm gonna turn on the smoke, and we're gonna have it in here for several days with many short cold smokes. This is so fulfilling to do. After a long summer of hard work, you have all winter long to enjoy these products and to eat them and to be reminded that it's worth it, that it is very rewarding, and it sustains your family, gives you health, it gives you strength to do another season the next year. Food is health-giving and life-giving, and being able to grow your own food is something that I think everybody should experience to a certain extent, even if it's just a pod with a tomato plant or pepper plant on your window seat or on your balcony. And local food production is really the only way that somebody who doesn't have the interest or the ability to raise their own food can really go to a local producer, look at how the animals are doing, how their food is doing, how the farmer, the person is, and purchase food of integrity and ethics, and be able to source healthy, sustainable food for yourself. And so I guess that's what I want to say and share and encourage everybody. This is to us the world's most valuable ham, no matter how expensive another product might be. This is the food we have grown ourselves, and it is one of the most fulfilling things to do. So hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't done so. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.